Morning guys, great evening last night, so I'm a bit starving, so I'm going to prepare my bannock now, whack that on a fire. Hungry again. So I've just poured some water in the bag with my bannock mix. I'll just mix this up now. Can't wait for this. So that's gas mark 4, 30 minutes, then serve. So that bannock's done now. Beautiful. And the chilli flakes as well. Nice kick in the morning. I'd rather be here than a 4-star hotel. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm walking in the woods. Oh, and who have we here? Mrs. Bushwhacker. Hi Mrs. Bushwhacker.
Hello.
Nice seeing you here.
Nice, isn't it?
What have you done here?
Well, I didn't want to dig a fire pit because it's so rooty, so I rolled that stump over from over there and put some clay on it and put a fire on top, a little fire with my little teapot from home because I haven't got a bush pot. Nearly done.
Very nice.
Will you be wanting a cup?
What are you making then?
Yeah, but I've only got one cup.
That's alright. Nice setup, and you got the DD pyramid.
Yep. Got blankets, a couple of blankets in there.
It's like an island where you are.
Yeah.
So what you done here then? Oh, that's colourful.
Well, I've put the mat down at the front. It's a bit of comfort tonight. And maybe the dog will want to come in. And got my hot water bottle ready. My book Becky bought for Christmas. Read that tonight.
Very nice. What book's that then? Wild.
I've seen the film. The film's good. I got that idea off you when you done your tabletop fire.
So the clay soil stops it burning the whole.
Yeah, I'm only having a little fire on there.
That's all you need, isn't
I've
it?
got the gas. I bought the gas
Oh, yeah.
just in case.
Gas bottle as well.
But it's nice having a proper
Nice
fire.
setup. And your waterproof bag. That's quite good because you can leave that outside. You don't have to bring that in. Nice setup.
I think it's going to be -1 later.
Cool. You get them bottles
So I think
primed.
I've got that gas bottle in there.
They give you a bit of heat.
Are you keeping your fire going all night?
No, all night, no. That's the beauty of
What
them
time did it go
canvas,
out
so you
last
can have
night?
the fire right
Oh,
next to it.
yeah. What time did it go out last night?
Probably went out about 12. So I just spent 10-15 minutes in Mrs. Bushwhacker's camp. It's very cosy.
If you had a cup, I'd make you a drink, but
Yeah, no, I'll just had a brew. I might nick some more off you later. 'Cause you
yeah,
bought that 10 litre with you, didn't you?
yeah.
But no, stunning woodland. Beautiful. They said sleet later, so see what happens. -1, you say?
Yeah.
Ooh, lucky I've got the thick jumper with me. It's lovely this. What are you wearing then?
I've got a wool jumper and all.
Have you?
I've got me
Where are your thermals?
thermals. I feel
Top
the
and
cold.
bottoms.
Yeah.
Make a difference, the thermals. It's nice when you get up at night and you got your thermal bottoms on.
Yeah.
There's nothing worse than getting out with your underpants or whatever.
Becky's busy over there chopping wood. I might go and get a bit of that tonight.
And I'm going to walk over later and Becky's setting up her camp. So what we've done this weekend, we've had a camp each. So we all build our own camp and get our own wood, do our own cooking, which is really good. It hones in your skills. See where you're lacking.
I've got a ready meal curry later.
Ready meal curry.
Heat up.
So you can see your positives and negatives when you're doing bushcraft, which is quite good. Oh, getting smoked out. So you can see, when you do it all on your own, it's you're kind of self-reliant. You've got to rely on number one. Sasquatch. So I'll show you Becky's setup now. Walk through. You been busy then, Bex?
Yeah.
It's Becky's setup. Still liking the Lavvu?
Love the Lavvu. Nice having a fire this close without our lock.
You've got a nice distance as well, haven't you, between the Lavvu and the fire. Well, you couldn't do that with a normal tent.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
you can just you can feel that heat radiating into your tent.
And that size small isn't even that bad. I thought it'd be tiny.
No, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gets you in there and your kit. Right, I'm going to head back, get some firewood chopped, start preparing for tonight.
Yeah, what stew, haven't we?
Yeah, chicken stew. And that bannock was nice. What did you put
yeah.
on your bannock earlier?
Parsley.
Huh?
Parsley. Wait, how do you say it? Parsley.
Parsley.
And
The old
garlic.
smoke's got and what? Garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice bannock.
Yeah, mine was really nice. It was like naan bread.
So you do that again?
Yeah. So I have got another batch for tonight, haven't we?
Yeah. You're going to make a sweet one, aren't you?
I'm thinking about it.
Be nice. Right, I want to get back to it then. See you in a bit, Becky. Well done.
Yeah.
So I'm going to chop the carrot, onion, put a few spices in, and my stock cube. And get that chicken stew on the go. There's quite a bit left from yesterday, so gonna have a nice hearty stew. So that's 2 meals out of 1 chicken, guys. I'm going to enjoy this now. course, nice and hot. Not too bad. So we've all eaten and watered. I'm just chilling out around the fire now. Go for a little walk. Lovely meal. Good night, guys. I'm lying back in the Lavvu now. It's about 2 degrees outside and it's lovely and toasty in here. So, great day. So I'll bid you all good night. Lovely and cosy in here. Beautiful, lovely canvas. Oh. So I'll see you in the morning, guys. Nice quiet evening. Nodding off, talking to you. Morning, guys. Mrs. Bushwhacker's putting the bacon on. Got some bacon rolls. Pretty hungry this morning. Sun's been up about 20 minutes. Well, out anyway. Well, not out, but behind the clouds. But it's light. It's amazing how the woods changes. You know, from the darkness to light. Start seeing around. How nice does that look? Good old Mrs. Bushwhacker there, look. How was your night then, Ange?
Yeah, good. Slept right through. Well, I woke up at 12, remade the hot water bottle, and slept till 6:30.
So she had a good night. But she didn't have a fire, so
No.
it's just a gas bottle. Gotta have a fire. Definitely gotta have a fire. But that's the advantage of the Lavvu over the synthetic tents. You can have a fire right next to your tent. So if you think of doing winter camping, get yourself a canvas tent. Oh, how's that bacon?
Yeah. Well, yeah, you like it crispy, don't you?
Well, can't be fussy this morning. So that chicken lasted us 2 days, so I'm getting really hungry now. But no, it done well. So that was a good meal. One bird for two days. But definitely paying for it now though, starving. Cheers, Ange.
Okay.
Lovely. So slow pack up now, guys. It's a beautiful day. Sun's coming through the trees, as you've seen, and just putting all my gear away. So it's a lovely camp out. Really enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors, guys. Thanks for all your support and all your comments. Much appreciated. Cheers, guys.